Hello and welcome to an unboxing of Dark Alien in Deep Space for the Vectrex console for a review on time extension. I was sent these very nice pin badges which I will be applying to my punk gilet, and the game itself. Now its presentation is really nice. It's all about the presentation. I've removed the sticker on the back so that we can open it more easily. And you flip it open, and you have this very nice boarding pass, as if you were, let's have a look at that closely, as if you were about to go on a trip, on a space trip, and you need to get on board the ship with this. Doesn't have any effect on gameplay, but it's a nice little item. This is an overlay for your Vectrex controller with the explaining what each of the buttons do, which is nice. And this is the overlay. I need to remove the plastic sheet which is protecting it, but this looks pretty good. I quite like, this developer has previously made the zombie apocalypse game, and I really like the way they put the overlay to great use. I feel the overlay is a clever idea for the Vectrex, and it's never really been exploited to its full potential. And this developer, I feel, it does interesting things with the overlay. I feel like there's a lot of stuff we can still do with Vectrex overlays. A standard instructions card, sponge to protect the game cartridge itself. I went for the yellow. There's two versions of this, yellow and green, and I went for the yellow version, purely for the aesthetics, because I quite like the look of the yellow and the black danger lines. I'll take this out in a moment before I play it. But there you go. There you have it. It it even comes. Even the cardboard holding the cartridge has this sort of nice aesthetic to it. The presentation is excellent, second to none. This is some of the best presentation I've seen for a homebrew release, and I look forward to playing it and seeing how it actually